morning to all of you. I'm here with Subject Science, Class 4, Chapter 5, Human Organs and Their Functions. So let us know about the human organs. We have already studied in the previous class also about external organs and internal organs. Now let us know about their functions. So moving ahead, human organs. So let us know the new words of the chapter. The first word is nostrils, that is external openings of the nose. These are called nostrils. The next word is vision, that is state of being able to see. Vision means that you can able to see, that is called vision. So here you can see the picture also. Moving ahead to the next word is taste buds. So what are taste buds? They are the sensory organs which are found on tongue. So with the taste buds you can taste sweet, salt, sour and bitter. So they are the taste buds. So we have taste buds. Moving ahead to the next word is skull. Skull is what? A bone framework enclosing a brain. Skull, yeah. So the brain is protected by the skull. The next word is filter. Filter means to remove unwanted material. As we use at our home also, removing the unwanted material, that is called filter. Next is soothing. Soothing means having a gentle and calm effect. It's very soothing. We use in our sentences also in the daily life. Soothing music. Moving ahead to the aims of the chapter. So what we are going to learn from this chapter? First, to know about sense organs and their functions. Second, to understand about external and internal organs. Let us move further. Our body is made up of different parts known as organs. These body organs have specific functions to perform. So our body, it is made up of different parts which are known as organs. So let us understand the types of the organs. We categorize organs into two types. The first one is external organs and the second one is internal organs. So let us know deeply. The first one is external organs. You can see the external organs: eyes, nose, skin, tongue, ear. These are external organs. So what are external organs? The organs which we can see with our eyes. So let us see the definition. Organs that we can touch or see directly are called external organs. Example: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to know about the surrounding. So can you see the eyes? Next comes the nose. Next comes the ears. Next is the skin. And the next is the tongue. So these are the external organs. Moving ahead to the internal organs. What are internal organs? God has gifted us with some special organs that help us to know about the world. So these organs are called sense organs. So moving ahead, first let us know about the sense organs, then we will know about the internal organs. So there are special organs that help us to know about the world, that are called sense organs. So we have 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of sound, sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of touch. We have 5 senses. Coming to the first, eyes. The sense of sight. Eyes provide vision to all living beings. We learn about different things, shape, size and color of an object by looking at it. And the eye color can vary from person to person. You have seen also every person has different eye color. So the eye color vary from person to person. So this is the sense of sight. Moving next, let us know the fact. Our eyes remain the same size throughout the life, whereas our nose and ears never stop growing. You know that the size of the eyes remain same throughout the life, and our nose and ears grow. That means they never stop growing. So this is the fact, you should know it and you can share it with your parents also. Nose. Coming to the next sense is nose. Nose is the sense of smell. Nose is the primary organ of smell and function as important respiratory organ. We breathe through our nose. It has two holes. You can see the nose has two holes, that is called nostrils. It helps us to filter the air that we breathe in and to remove dust and germs. So filter the air and remove the dust and germs. Moving ahead, these are the nostrils. Let us know the fact. Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents. You know, the nose can remember 50,000 smells, different scent. Moving ahead to the next sense is ears, sense of sound or hearing. Ears help us to hear different sounds. Some sounds like music are pleasing and soothing. That means they are very pleasant to us. And some sounds like banging and screaming are loud and harsh. Sounds like thunder, thundering of the clouds can be heard but cannot be seen. So these about the sense of sound or hearing. Tongue, sense of taste. The tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth. It bears the taste buds that allow tasting of food as sweet, salty, sour and bitter. It also helps in chewing and swallowing of the food. So that is, a tongue is a muscular organ. It bears the taste buds and helps in chewing and swallowing of the food. Coming to the next sense is sense of touch or feel, that is the skin. You know what is the largest organ of the human body? That is skin. We feel our skin whether an object is cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard or soft. The skin contains sweat glands and oil glands. So the skin has two glands, that is sweat and oil. And the oil released by the skin helps to keep the skin from drying out. So that is skin. Coming to the next is internal organs. Now we have studied about the sense organs. Now coming to the next is internal organs. What are internal organs? So let us study further. Organs that we cannot touch or see directly are called internal organs. They are present inside our body, beneath the skin. Kidneys, heart, lungs and liver are examples of internal organs. They are protected by layers of skin, fat and bones. So we have brain, we have lungs, we have heart, we have stomach and we have kidneys. So these all are the internal organs that we cannot see. They are beneath our skin and they are protected by layers of skin, fat and bones. And we have liver. So let us study about each internal organ. First is brain. Our brain is the master organ and it is located within the protective covering called skull. It controls all the body parts. All body parts are joined with the brain through very fine fibers called nerves. And the nerves receive signal from the body sensory organs and outputs the information to the muscles. So it is the master organ of the body and this is the skull. The brain is protected by the skull. Moving next is the lungs. Lungs are a pair of sponge-like organs located on either side of the chest which help us in breathing. When we breathe in, the lungs filter the oxygen present in the air, and when we breathe out, it filters the carbon dioxide from our body. That is, it exhales out carbon dioxide. The main function of the lungs is the process of gas exchange, that is called respiration. Coming to the next internal organ. Before that, let us know one fact. Rib cage. Rib cage held the organs in the chest, that is heart and lungs, from being damaged. So what does the rib cage protect? It protects the heart and lungs. Moving ahead to the next organ is heart. Heart is a muscular organ slightly to the left side of the chest and the heart beats 72 times in a minute. The primary function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body. It supplies oxygen and nutrients to the body and remove carbon dioxide and waste from the blood. The next is the heart has two sides. So let us know the two sides of the heart, right and left. Each side has a small collecting chamber called an atrium, which leads to a large pumping chamber called a ventricle. So we have two sides, and the small collecting chamber is atrium, which leads to a large one, which is a ventricle. The right side of our heart receives blood from the body and pumps to the lungs, and the left side of the heart does the exact opposite, that is, it receives blood from the lungs and pumps out of the body. So here you can see left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium. Moving ahead is the fact that is the liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. It secretes and sends bile juice to stomach, which helps in digestion and also removes waste products from the blood. Coming to the next internal organ is stomach. Stomach looks like a hollow muscular bag located on the left side of the upper abdomen, in which the food is churned. The digestive juices present in the stomach break down the proteins into a very simple form, and stomach is the main storage tank of the body. So it's a muscular bag. Next is kidneys. The kidneys are two reddish brown bean shaped like rajma, and they are located just below the rib cage. The kidneys filter the blood and also remove the waste products through urine. Entire blood in the body passes through kidney many times a day. One more fact, we should know it. Every drop of blood is filtered by our body over 300 times a day. Now let's summarize or let's recapitulate whatever we have learned. There are two types of organs, external organs and internal organs. Skin is the largest organ in our body and contains sweat glands and oil glands. Brain is the master organ of our body. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood throughout our body. Stomach is the main food storage tank of our body. Kidneys filter and remove all the waste present in the blood through urine. Lungs and heart, as we know, are protected by rib cage. I hope you understood this chapter, and you will see the video again and again so that you can get a good understanding of the chapter, and then you can go through your book. I'll meet you again with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.